Regarding the electrical installation, it is necessary to install an RCD or residual current device and an MCB or miniature circuit breaker to protect the line that feeds the charging point. To ensure safety and proper installation, consult your local electric authority to know the required electrical protections and any other regulations that must be met. When sizing the automatic circuit breaker, it is necessary to take into account possible variations in ambient temperature in the main electric board. The selection of the electrical current protection must be in accordance with the charger's maximum current output. It is recommended to 1.25 times the nominal intensity of the circuit. Please check the following installation examples. The single-phase charging point with 2 outlets is 7.3 kilowatts per outlet. When using both simultaneously, the main phase intensity will be 64 amps. As a preventive measure, it is advisable to size the cable and the circuit breaker for 80 amps. If intelligent load balancing between sockets is enabled, the charging station will be limited to a maximum power of 7.3 kilowatts or 32 amps on the phase. In this case, a 40 amp circuit breaker will be enough. In the case of 3-phase chargers with 22 kilowatts outlets, the pole will take up to 44 kilowatts. For this case, it is necessary to install a 80 amp 3-phase circuit breaker, as each phase will sum up to 64 amps. If load balancing between sockets is enabled, a 40 amp 3-phase circuit breaker will be enough, since the pole total available power will reach a maximum of 22 kilowatts. For more information, please check the video of intelligent balancing between sockets. Each charging station must be connected to its own dedicated RCD with no other electrical devices connected to it. Please be sure to install the RCD type that complies with local electrical regulations. Each charging outlet can optionally equip a DC current leak detector if required. Regarding the capacity of surge devices, if national legislation requires the installation of an electrical discharge device, it must be sized based on the maximum current of the charging station. To power the charging station itself, connect the power cable to the main switch. These terminals are enough to power the entire charging station. If the installation is single-phase, connect the wiring in the following way: brown cable to line R, blue cable to neutral, and yellow and green cable to ground connection. If it's a 3-phase, connect the yellow and green wire to ground, blue wire to neutral, brown wire to line R, the black wire to line S, and the gray wire to line T.